those noisy corridors, the decorated classrooms, and most importantly, those forceful kids in our mouth with a very sweet man please, isn't it? Don't you agree with me? Yes, we miss our students who make each day a special day for all of us. But one thing, even the most powerful coronavirus will agree that it has closed down the schools, but not the link between us and our students. We are still in touch and will always be. Once again, a very good morning to all of you, esteemed principal sir, respected supervisors, all my senior teachers, and other teacher friends. I welcome you all to this formal celebration of Teachers' Day. This day helps us in remembering a very great soul, Dr. Sarvepalli Radhakrishnan. Dr. Sarvepalli is educated his life through education and youth of the country. He said, instead of celebrating my birthday, it would be my proud privilege if September 5 is observed at Teachers' Day. And thus, we celebrate this day to remember him and honor each and every teacher across this country. Let's begin this day by paying homage to this great soul. I request our esteemed principal sir to pay a funeral tribute to this great soul, Dr. Sarvepalli Radhakrishnan. I also request our respected supervisors and all other teachers present here to accompany me.
Mangalam Bhagavana Vishnu Mangalam Madhusudanam Mangalam Pundarikakshu Mangalam Garuda Madhava Vakyam Madhava Madhava Hari Smarati Sadhava Nityam Sarvakaresu Madhava Guru Brahma Guru Vishnu Guru Deva Maheshwara Guru Sakshat Param Brahma Tasmai Sri Gurave Namah Ajnanatirandhasya Jnananjalakshakaya Chakshurmilitajena Tasmai Sri Gurave Namah Hari Om Shanti 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 Bhadram Karnehi Sriyam Deva Bhadram Pashya Pakshadhyaya Jatraha Sthirairangaistusthuvan Shastarurvijashemahi Devani Kanyarayu Om Vishwani Deva Shamitarduitani Parashura Yadbhadram Tanrashura Bhagratunda Mahakaya Surya Koti Shamaprabha Nirvignam Kurme Deva Sarvakare Sarvada Om यो शान्तिरन्तरिक्षं शान्तिः पृथिवी शान्तिरापः शान्ति रोषधयः शान्तिः वनस्पतयः शान्ति विश्वे देव शान्ति ब्रह्म शान्तिः सर्वं शान्ति शान्तिरेव शान्ति क्षमा शान्तिरेधि ॐ शान्तिः शान्तिः शान्तिः
When he became the president of India, he accepted only rupees 2,500 out of rupees 10,000 salary, and the remaining amount was donated to the Prime Minister's Relief Fund every month. So thus was the person that we have paid homage to just now. Apart from that, we all present over here are teachers, and on behalf of everybody, all the students that we have come in the morning today, I wish one and all a happy Teachers Day. A very happy Teachers Day to our Supreme Sir, esteemed Principal Sir also. Remembering the great teacher, we cannot forget our Supreme Teacher, the one who taught us to provide a single-life path for all of us. So I would like to request our respected esteemed Principal Sir to say a few words on this occasion. Sir, please.
Good morning, all of you. As I've said, happy Teachers Day to all my colleagues. Today is the 5th September, birthday of our former president, a great philosopher, and who was a great teacher. His birthday. This day, he dedicated to all the teachers' fraternity for their great role they play for making a this. As it is known, the greatness of the nation depends upon the quality of the citizens. Similarly, the greatness of citizens depends upon the teachers. Because teachers are the ones who sees the statue in the block of stones. Teacher is one who identifies the spark inside the child, and he turns it into fire. I salute to all the teachers on this day for your passion, dedication, commitment for molding the future generation of our nation. From the days of Imam Gadial, you know, teachers are considered as the God, because the God recognizes the heart of a child. Mother can understand the feelings of the child. Similarly, teacher is who recognizes the sparks inside the child, recognizes the sparks inside the child, and he who brings it out to turn into life. It is not a simple rule. Because of that great role, we consider teachers are the next to God, and that is truly correct. No doubt you are in a profession nowadays, and this is the great profession, as everyone knows. So, two things you need to maintain: that culture and quality of the teacher that need to be inbuilt with us. At the same time, we need to develop professionalism, what is required to today's generation. I'm thankful to all of you for coming out during this COVID-19 situation and helping the students to continue their learning exercise with lots of difficulty at your stage. This shows your professionalism. And my expectations from all of you, continue this professionalism, because you need to face to the challenges that's faced by the students of this generation. We need to recognize ourselves as the creator of this nation as a whole, institution in particular. So let's join our hands. The great profession that we have joined will maintain this legacy in future. You know very well, students are the banks for the teachers, where teachers save their resources, revenues what they need. Whenever a child comes out in flying colors, certainly being a teacher, we all are proud of that. We all are doing various videos during this pandemic, lot of activities you have shown on online media. I found out some classes students have created very good documentaries, videos on the subject also. I get immense pleasure out of that, because that recognizes your quality. You are recognized by their insight, whatever you observe. So I am proud of you. Wish you all the best. Happy Teachers Day to all of you. And at the same time, on behalf of management, to the regional directorate and principals of other institutions, I wish you Happy Teachers Day to all of you. Thank you.
If a country is to be corruption free and become a nation of beautiful minds, I strongly feel there are three key societal members who can make a difference. We are the father, the mother, and the teacher. This famous quote of the great teacher come leader, Dr. A.P.J. Abdul Kalam, has surely laid our shoulders with a lot of responsibility and care, as we are parents and teachers too. Teachers, I believe, are the most responsible and the important members of society, because their profession involves affect the fate of the earth. Dear teachers, I hope you will all agree with me today that we are virtually and physically also connected with our students. Even during this pandemic, they are not far away from us.
textbook for a pupil is his teacher. With this, a very good morning to everyone who is watching this video. This is Sushri Tejaswita, your host for today's event. As we all know, today is 5th September, the birth anniversary of Dr. Sarvepalli Radhakrishnan, who was the first president of India. He was a very good teacher of his time. On the auspicious occasion of Teachers' Day, I would like to wish all the teachers of our sister schools a very happy Teachers' Day from the entire family of DAV Karimnagar. Been working very hard since ages to make our futures bright. In order to make our teachers feel special, we have a small portrayal of love for them. Let's have a look at a short slideshow. When God created teachers, He gave us special friends to help us understand His world and truly comprehend the beauty and the wonder of everything we see and become a better person with each discovery. When God created teachers, He gave us special guides to show us ways in which to grow so we can all decide how to live and how to do what's right instead of wrong, to lead us so that we can lead and learn how to be strong. Why God created teachers in His wisdom and His grace was to help us learn to make our world a better, wiser place.
कभी डांट कर उन्होंने प्यार जताया, कभी रोक टोक कर चलना सिखाया, कभी कोरे कागज पर कलम से उज्जवल भविष्य का सूरज उगाया, ढाल बनकर है हर मुश्किल से बचाया। कभी हक के लिए लड़ना सिखाया, कभी गलती बताकर, कभी गलती छिपाकर एक सच्चे गुरु का फर्ज निभाया। कभी माता पिता बन सलाह दिया, कभी दोस्त बन हौसला बढ़ाया। आज कहते हैं उन टीचर्स को बड़ा सा थैंक यू जिन्होंने हमें इस काबिल बनाया। सही क्या है गलत क्या है यह सब बताते हैं आप, झूठ क्या है सच क्या है यह सब समझाते हैं आप। जब सूझता नहीं कुछ भी राहों को सरल बनाते हैं आप, जीवन के हर अंधकार में रोशनी दिखाते हैं आप। बंद हो जाते हैं जब सारे दरवाजे, नया रास्ता दिखाते हैं आप। सिर्फ किताबी ज्ञान ही नहीं जीवन जीना सिखाते हैं आप।
अंधाररू उद्धारिल तुमे शिक्षा तुल्य, गुरु बिना शिष्यर नाही किछि मूल्य। गुरु दिवस रे करू तुम जय गान, गुरु हे घेन कोटि प्रणाम। विद्या देल बुद्धि देल देखाइल बाट, नरखी मनरे छंद नकरी कपट आकाशठू बड़ सागरु गभीर मन गुरु हे घेन कोटि प्रणाम बेतबाड़ी छाट किए पारिब भूली पथ प्रदर्शक अटे तुमर से गाड़ी बाट हुड़ी नाहू आमे रखिबु ए मान गुरु हे घेन कोटि प्रणाम जेते दिन जाए थिब ए विश्व भारत पूजा पाउथिबे गुरु चिर आउ नित्य अक्षुर्ण रहु जगते सदा तुम नाम गुरु हे घेन कोटि प्रणाम।
They say experience is the best teacher, but for us, having you as our teacher is the best experience. Now, Minati ma'am will share her views on this occasion.
The end product of education should be a free creative man who can battle against historical circumstances and adversities of nature. With this beautiful quote of Sarvapalli Radhakrishnan, I wish each and everyone a happy Teachers' Day. Namaskar and my deep gratitude to all the teachers and my dear friends. The light of the world, the beacon in the dark, and the hope that gives us strength to survive is our teacher. Today, in this pandemic also, we all celebrate Teachers' Day, a day kept aside to honor the gifted souls who work every day to make sure that the future is bright for all of us. On this beautiful occasion, let us take the opportunity to convey our wishes to all our teachers who have given flawless contribution in shaping us. A big salute to all the people who have directly or indirectly made us come to this end and sharpened us to exist in this world. Guru Brahma, Guru Vishnu, Guru Deva Maheshwara, Guru Sakshat Param Brahma, Tasmai Shri Gurave Namah. Happy Teachers' Day once again. Stay happy, stay safe. Thank you.
Everyone is eager to sink in the depth of music, song, and joy, isn't it? So here's presenting our school choir to present their performance.
Guru Brahma, Guru Vishnu, Guru Deva Maheshwara, Guru Sakshat Param Brahma, तस्मै श्री गुरवे नमः।
मेरे टीचर थे तुम्ही, मेरे टीचर हो तुम्ही, मेरे टीचर थे तुम्ही, मेरे टीचर हो तुम्ही। मुझको मुझ में ढूंढा दी नई पहचान, नन्हे से परिंदे ने ऊंची भरी उड़ान, ऊंची भरी उड़ान, ऊंची भरी उड़ान। मुझको मुझ में ढूंढ ढूंढा दी नई पहचान, नन्हे से परिंदे ने ऊंची भरी उड़ान, दूर उस गगन में उड़ते फिरते गाते, तराने हम तुम्हारे ही गुनगुनाते। वो मेरे टीचर थे तुम्हें, हाँ मेरे टीचर हो तुम्हें, मेरे टीचर थे तुम्हें, हाँ मेरे टीचर हो तुम्हें।
धूप में भी जैसे थे छाँव के तले, कांटों की चुभन भी मन को ना खले। धूप में भी जैसे थे छाँव के तले, कांटों की चुभन भी मन को ना खले। दिए किरणों की तरह जो सदा जले, रोशनी से जिसके हर अंधेरा ढले।
मेरे टीचर थे तुम्हें, हाँ मेरे टीचर हो तुम्हें, मेरे टीचर थे तुम्हें, हाँ मेरे टीचर हो तुम्हें।
Being a teacher is the highest privilege. Having a teacher is the best blessing. Now we have Rutuja Vijayalakshmi, the school leader, to give her speech on Teachers' Day.
Good morning to everyone watching this video. Happy Teachers' Day. Teachers are the building blocks of our life. On this auspicious day, on behalf of all the students, I would like to thank each and every teacher for molding us into worthy people so that we can face the world. We are celebrating Teachers' Day, a day kept aside to honor the gifted souls who work every day to make sure that the future is bright for all of us. On 5th September every year, we celebrate Teachers' Day. This day marks the birth anniversary of Dr. Sarvapalli Radhakrishnan. Along with a great leader in the form of President of the country, he was a great scholar and an excellent teacher. Teachers' Day is very important in every student's life. The amount of excitement a student have on this day can never be compared to any other day. But unfortunately, this year we are not able to celebrate it in the school premises. But that's okay, we can do it in this way. There is a saying that teachers are greater than parents. And I think that's true. Because parents give birth to a child, whereas teacher molds child's personality and give them a bright future. In this pandemic also, we can see that the teachers have done everything that is possible so that we don't suffer and our academics are not hampered. Apart from academics also, teachers stand by us in every step of our life to guide us, motivate us and inspire us. They are the source of knowledge and wisdom. From them leads the idea and thought that one day we will give back to this society. I want to extend my gratitude to all the teachers for the selfless service and the dynamic support. We are always grateful to you. At last, I want to say that teacher plants the seed of the knowledge, sprinkles it with love, and patiently nurtures their growth to produce tomorrow's dream. With this, I, Rutuja Vijayalakshmi, the school leader, sign off. Thank you. Stay home, stay safe.
Thank you, Rutuja. Guru Brahma, Guru Vishnu, Guru Deva Maheshwara, Guru Sakshat Param Brahma, Tasmai Shri Gurave Namah. Now it's time for our Odissi dancers to showcase their love for our teachers in their dance form.
Vishnu
Dear teacher, thank you for inspiring us. Thank you for guiding us. Thank you for all the love and care that you have always given to us. So, our next dance performance is to thank our teachers for always being there with us and for constantly being our support system.
सजदे में यूं ही झुकता हूँ, तुम पे ही आके रुकता हूँ, क्या ये सबको होता है?
हमको क्या लेना है सबसे, तुमसे ही सब बातें अब से, बन गए हो तुम मेरी दुआ।
खुदा जाने के मैं फिदा हूँ, खुदा जाने मैं मिट गया, खुदा जाने ये क्यों हुआ है कि बन गए हो तुम मेरे खुदा। आशियाना मेरा साथ तेरे है ना, ढूंढते तेरी गली मुझको घर मिला। आबोदाना मेरा हाथ तेरे है ना, ढूंढते तेरा खुदा मुझको रब मिला। तू जो मिला लो हो गया मैं काबिल, तू जो मिला तो हो गया सब हासिल। हाँ मुश्किल सही आसा हुई मंजिल, क्योंकि तू धड़कन मैं दिल।
Thank you for such an amazing dance performance. Now, Arashri Padhi is going to throw some light on Teachers' Day.
दुनिया को एक नए नज़रिए से दिखाया, शिक्षित कर नई पहचान दी, शुक्रिया अदा करूँ कैसे, शब्दों की देन भी तो आप ही ने दी। भारत में प्रति वर्ष 5 सितंबर अर्थात डॉक्टर सर्वपल्ली राधाकृष्णन के जन्मदिन को शिक्षक दिवस के रूप में मनाया जाता है। गुरु, अध्यापक, शिक्षक, इन शब्दों को सुनकर किसी भी व्यक्ति के दिमाग में और ईश्वर रूपी इंसानों का ख्याल ज़रूर आता है जिन्होंने उन्हें काबिल बनाया। अब एक अध्यापक बनना एवं बच्चों को शिक्षित कर उन्हें काबिल नागरिक बनाना कोई आसान काम तो नहीं, और आज के सर्वव्यापी महामारी के चलते अध्यापकों को बहुत मुश्किलों का सामना करना पड़ रहा है। आज कक्षाएं विद्यालय में नहीं होती, बल्कि शिक्षक अपने अपने घरों से ऑनलाइन कक्षाएं करते हैं। अब ये आसान तो नहीं, लेकिन हमारे शिक्षकों के कारण ये मुमकिन हो चुका है, ताकि हमें आगे चल के कोई कठिनाई ना हो। अब ये तो सच ही कहा गया है कि एक अच्छा शिक्षक मोमबत्ती की भांति होता है, वो खुद प्रज्वलित होकर दूसरों को रास्ता दिखाता है। अंततः मैं बस इतना कहना चाहूँगी कि चाहे दुनिया ही क्यों ना बदल जाए, लेकिन एक छात्र के जीवन में एक अध्यापक की भूमिका कभी नहीं बदल सकती।
Now it's time to get mesmerized with yet another dance performance by the students of class 8.
Gurur Brahma Gurur Vishnu Gurur Deva Maheshwara
पाने की हो आस आस, कोई अरमा हो जो खास खास आशाएं, हर कोशिश में हो बार बार करे दरियाओं को आर पार आशाएं, तूफानों को चीर के मंजिलों को छीन ले आशाएं, ले उम्मीदें हंसे अब मुश्किल नहीं कुछ भी, नहीं कुछ भी, उड़ जाए लेके खुशी अपने संग तुझको वहाँ, जन्नत से मुलाकात हो, पूरी हो तेरी हर दुआ, आशाएं खिले दिल की, उम्मीदें हंसे अब मुश्किल नहीं कुछ भी, नहीं कुछ भी।
Now we have Rohan Biswal, one of our alumni, and Aman Biswal, one of our students, presenting a song dedicated to our teachers.
निगाहों में देखो मेरी जो है बस गया, वो है मिलता तुमसे हूबहू, जाने तेरी आँखें थी या बातें थी वजह, हुए तुम जो दिल की आरज़ू, तुम पास हो के भी, तुम आस हो के भी, एहसास हो के भी अपने नहीं, ऐसे है हमको गिले तुमसे न जाने क्यों, नीलों के है फासले तुमसे न जाने क्यों, तो जाने ना, तो जाने ना, तो जाने ना, तो जाने ना। धुंधला जाए जो मंजिलें, एक पल को तू नजर झुका, झुक जाए से जहाँ वही मिलता है रब का रास्ता, तेरी किस्मत तू बदल दे, रख हिम्मत बस चल दे, तेरे साथी मेरे कदमों के हैं निशान, तू न जाने आस पास है खुदा, 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 गमरे निरे सहा सारे सगरे मगा, गम पमरे जने रे सदा गमरे समादा सगा मगा, खुद पे डाल तू नजर, हालातों से हार कर कहाँ चला रे, हाथ की लकीर को मोड़ता मरोड़ता है हौसला, के खुद तेरे ख्वाबों के रंग में तू अपने जहां को भी रंग दे, क्या चलता हूँ मैं तेरे संग में, हो शाम भी तो क्या, जब होगा अंधेरा तब पाएगा दर मेरा, उस दर पे फिर होगी तेरी सुबह, तू न जाने आस पास है खुदा, तू न जाने आस पास है खुदा, तू न जाने आस पास है खुदा, तू न जाने आस पास है खुदा। मिट जाते हैं सबके निशान, बस एक वो मिटता नहीं है। मान ले जो है मुश्किल को मर्जी मेरी है। हो हम सफर न तेरा जब कोई तू हो, जहाँ रहूंगा मैं वही, तुझसे कभी न एक पल भी मैं जुदा। तू न जाने आस पास है खुदा, तू न जाने आस पास है खुदा। तू न जाने आस पास है खुदा, तू न जाने आस पास है खुदा। तू न जाने आस पास है खुदा, तू न जाने आस पास है खुदा।
Music is a world within itself with a language that everyone understands. What better than music would aptly define the relationship between a student and a teacher? So let's hear our teachers express themselves through the tune of music.
ग्रंथ ज्ञानर उद्धरे गुरु, प्रेरणार प्रति छवि गुरु, निराशा जीवनी आशार प्रदीप गुरु। गुरु उदय कालर रवि, आपणा जीवन सार्थक करे केते घट
Visaara
Now we have our beloved principal sir, Mr. Bipin Kumar Sahu, who is going to give a short message.
Hope is being able to see that there is a light despite darkness. Good morning and happy Teachers' Day to all my colleagues. At the top of my wish list comes my prayer to the Almighty to protect you and your loved ones with the divine shield, and my humble effort to the great soul Sir Sarvapalli Radhakrishnan, who believed this day to the teachers community of the country in cognizance of their decisive role in shaping future of the nation. By all means, it would be my futile effort to sum up the contribution of a teacher in helping the students reach to their fullest potential and thereby of the country as a whole. Your commendable effort in the noble mission of helping the students under your care, even amidst their trying time of COVID-19 pandemic, has set an example for the world. As passionate followers of the noblest profession, I appeal each one of you to be an ardent supporter of effective and innovative professional development, to be reflective and continuously examine our practice to provide quality teaching and learning for each student. On this special day, we feel the physical absence of our loving students with us. However, we are optimistic that the schoolyard would be very soon echoing with their loud cheers. Let us pray to the Almighty God to give us wisdom and strength to overcome this crucial time. It is said that though suffering may endure for the night, joy comes in the morning. Some new dawns may not arrive as early as others, but we do not lose hope that new dawns are ever before us. Once again, wish you all happy Teachers' Day. Thank you. Stay home and stay safe.
Every year, this day has been celebrated with great pomp and show. But this year, due to the COVID-19 pandemic, we all are restricted at our homes and are unable to meet our teachers physically. However, this pandemic hasn't stopped our teachers from providing us the best education. It as well hasn't stopped us to show our gratitude and love for our teachers.
One book, one pen, one child, and one teacher can change the entire world. With this, I would like to extend my vote of thanks to our respected Principal Sir for his time and support, to our beloved teachers for their encouragement and guidance, to the cabinet members for their cooperation and coordination, and last but not the least, to all the participants for their contribution. Without each one of you, the making of this video would not have been possible. At last, wishing a very happy Teachers' Day to all our loving teachers. Thank you to all the viewers for their patience watching. Stay home, stay safe.